Okay, cellists, we're going to work on playing two strings, our D string and our A string. And you notice our elbow height is going to determine what string we're on. So I'll play 4 Ds and then I want you to play 4 Ds. We're going to start with a down bow. Okay, I'll play first. Now your turn. 2, 3, me again. Your turn. Okay, now we're going to do the A string. Your turn. Make sure you move your elbow up. A string again. Your turn. Okay, now we're going to do D string 4 times, then the A string 4 times. 1, 2, ready, together. Now A string.